This video guides you through the steps to properly install your Gen 2 LeakAlertor Wireless Pro nodes. Before installing any nodes, be sure your Pro gateway has been installed, is powered up, and communicating properly. To reduce installation time in the field, nodes are pre-assigned to specific toilets before shipping. Each installation is sent with an installation worksheet identifying every node and its pre-assigned toilet. Be sure to double-check nodes are being installed in the proper toilet so that the alerts and other dashboard data are associated with the correct toilet. If a node cannot be installed for any reason, set it aside, but do not substitute a different node for that toilet. Confirm you have the correct node. Thread the sensors into the node, red to red, black to black. Hand tighten only, please do not use a wrench. Lift and set aside the tank lid. Place the unit along the back of the tank, taking care not to scrape the sensors or interfere with the operation of the toilet, and step back while the node connects to the gateway. The node will flash a sequence of red and green LEDs, then flash the blue LED continuously. Replace the lid and flush the toilet. Once the flush cycle is complete, move on to your next node. This completes an installation of a node.